Morning to my all the respected teachers. My name is Harshvardhan Singh. I am a new student in class 8 section B Lily. Today I am going to tell the summary of chapter 4, The Treasure Within. This chapter is totally based on a conversation between Mrs. Bella, editor of newspaper Spurs, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, India's leading architect. Hafiz Contractor said that in his childhood he got a terrible nightmare about math exam, that he is sitting in the math exam and he don't know anything, and he always tell that in first and second standard he was a very great student, but in third standard he simply lost his interest from studying. He only likes to play games, play pranks on others, and when he don't want to study he create a distraction in the class. One time he said to the whole class that we play today chore police, and the whole class played chore police 1 hour. He also don't fear from the teachers. He get punished every week from the teacher, but he don't know anything. He only know to play. One time Mrs. Bella asked, what was your state of mind when you got punishment? He's saying, state of mind? No, I don't know anything. Just I lift my hand and the teacher punished me and I go for play. Means he don't know anything. Who is being punished and why he is being punished? No, he only want to play. But in 11th standard, when one time his principal called him and said, listen son, I am telling you that your mother works very hard to make you study, and you don't study anything. Only you wants to play cricket. He was a very good sportsman. He was a senior champion in his school and he was a captain of his cricket team. But when his principal tell him about the sacrifices that her mother make to make him study, from that day he don't step out of the ground and he only study and pray to God that I pass in exam. And he got 50% in SSC. Then he wanted to join the army and his admission letter came, but her aunt tore it up. And then he wanted to join the police force, but his mother stopped him and said, just do your graduation. So he went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. There he had to choose a subject, French or German. He had studied French in his school, but he don't know 7 words of French. So he take German, but his German teacher died. So he had to take French again. And he started to learning French from an architect wife who is cousin of his. One time he saw somebody drawing a design of window and he said that this is wrong. The window may not be open, but he bet with him and this really proves to be right. So the architect was shocked and he go to the principal of that college to make him join in the college. But the principal said only if he pass the entrance exam, then only I will make him admission in my college. He passed the entrance exam very well. He got A+ and he got admission in the college. And now from that day he become a very successful man. So the words that are said by his principal changed his life. So from this chapter we learn many things, that if we are weak in studies, then it is not important, but we have to make our future bright. And it is not in which school are you studying or anything. It importance that how you studies. So thank you very much.